Hello there, Aquarius. I'm Sandy Anastasi, psychic channel and astrologer. I'm here with your monthly predictions for May 2014. Aquarius, your focus this month is on your home and your family, and in a good way. Old family or friends may be coming for a visit, or you may be working on or even completing a project that you wanted to do for a while. If you have children, there will be a lot of emotional ups and downs with them this month, though. But if you're single, expect those same emotional issues in your romantic life. It's a good time to get swept off your feet. Travel plans that you tried to get off the ground at the beginning of the year look more probable now. If you don't travel or make travel plans for the summer now, you can expect a lot of personal growth from both the planning and the doing. Also, Aquarius, this is a wonderful time to plan to take some summer classes or to go back to school for something that you've wanted to learn for a while. Any steps forward in education right now lead you to brand new future possibilities. Just as an aside, this is not a good month for the in-laws to come and visit, so sidestep that one if you can. Aquarius, I'm Sandy Anastasi, psychic channel and astrologer. I'm here every month with your astrological predictions and your psychic channeled predictions for the month. Visit my website at www.sandyanastasi.com for more information about me and my work. I've written many books. My most recent is Astrology, Art, and Science, available on Balboa.com and Amazon.com, as well as in real world stores. And while you're on my website, sign up for my newsletter and my free psychic hour. My newsletter tells you where I'm at, how to get a reading with me, how to sign up for coaching, and also where I'm teaching both online and off. And my psychic hour is free to everyone, but you do have to sign up because attendance is limited. It's live like this. You get to ask me questions, I get to respond, and it's direct, real time, and we see, or at least you see me, just like this. I'll see you there, and I'll see you back here next month with more predictions. Thanks so much.